Good morning, Abotai, Shavua Tov. We continue with the Leila Seder. We spoke about the kazetot for matzah. Now we're up to Maror. It's very important, especially when a person uses lettuce, which is the romaine lettuce, which is the number one on the list of priorities for Maror. When a person uses lettuce, you have to make sure that either you know how to check very well, you have to make sure to check for infestation of insects and worms and things of that nature, as the Ben Ish Chai famously states with regards to Maror B'Leil HaSeder. He says about the woman of the house, but doesn't necessarily apply to her. He says if you're not careful about the infestation of the lettuce that you eat for Maror at the Seder, you can have more avonot on your head than the hairs on your head. Yeah, that's what he says. More avonot than hair. Because each one, the Gemara says in Masechet Makot, Daf Tet Amud Bet, every crawling insect on the ground, water insects are 4 malkuyot per insect. Land insects are 5 malkuyot per insect, and flying insects are 6. So, that's per one. That's more than nevelot utrefot combined. So it's a very, very important thing that a person either buys lettuce that's pre-checked and or greenhouse grown under a great hashgacha, and if not, what Maran Zechron Levrach used to advise to do is to cut off all of the leaves from the lettuce and only leave the spine, the white spine, soak it in soap water for a few minutes, scrub it down each one, and only use that. And not to use the leaves at all, says not to chas v'shalom, b'nichshal, b'isurim, shel tola'im and charakim and stuff like that. Now, with regards to the meal, Shulchan Orech, it's important when a person eats on this night, Maran Zechron Levrach also used to point out, he writes in Chazon Avadia also, not to fill up, although people are very hungry at this point, not to fill up so much at the meal, so by the time they get to the afikoman, it's already begeder achila gasa, which that means a person is already nauseated, or he has to stuff down the afikoman, in which case he's not yotzeh. He says the bulk of the seudah, the bulk of the delights, should be left for the days of Pesach. Also, last thing with regards to tzafun afikoman, a person should take out the kazait or more of matzah that he put away by yachatz and use that for the afikoman. Give out a small piece to everybody. Everybody's going to end up supplementing from the box anyway. But at least for the Baal Habayit to have a kazait over there, the din is to have a kazait matzah for afikoman. That's it. You don't need more. There's an inyan, Samar Machmir, the Shulchan Aruch doesn't even bring this down, to have a second kazait, one kazait zecher lekorban Pesach, and one kazait zecher lamatzah ne'echelet imo, zecher to the matzah that was eaten together with it. But again, that's not compulsory at all. It's only an inyan tov, and if you're stuffed to capacity, all you need to do is to eat the kazait of matzah for afikoman, and that's it. Even lechatachila, yom tov, and shavua tov. I'll be done after the tefillah. I'll be here for a few minutes to do mechirat chametz. Anybody wants to catch me now? Time is running out, so time is of the essence. Be'ezrat Hashem, I'll see you soon.